What's good, YouTube? This your boy Finesse Guy 80 Diggy, J Diggy 92. If my energy low, I gotta prep myself for this new God Box podcast episode, and I don't want to make it, but I kind of got to. So I'm prepping myself for that. But we gonna get through the unboxing, cause clearly we got another unboxing. So yeah, we gonna get through that. And then that God Box podcast episode should maybe drop before this. I'm not sure how I did it, but if it did, it's a card that popped up somewhere. But yeah, man. So let's go ahead and get into these. We only got 4, but should be a decent 4. So yeah, man. Make sure you hit that thumbs up, that like button, subscribe for me, and let's get into it. So this first pack is coming from ASOS. Really excited for this one, cause originally this is sold out, and with ASOS you can put on like notifications so when something come back in stock, and the day I found it is the day it restocked, but only one restock. So when I bought it, that was like the last one on site, and it's this big ass red varsity jacket. Like, I'm not a big red fan, but this hard. But yeah, just on the back, pretty much the same thing that's on the back is on the front. It's kind of, it ain't thick, but it's thick enough. Got this in a 2X just because I plan on wearing hoodies under this one, and like I don't want to be all like jumbled up in the fucking jacket and stuff. So there's that. Next thing up is this package from Minimal. I've never shopped Minimal. I know Richie Lee used to be with Minimal, or like model for Minimal, until he created his own brand, and then like he kind of now in competition with Minimal, I guess. I don't know, but that's where his next package is from. I always seen their stuff, but I always thought it was too overpriced for me, and I never thought it was worth it till I seen this. Boy, this shit is hard. Lately, I've been on this Aztec Geoprint, whatever you want to call it, wave, and I thought this was fire. Hopefully it fits, because it is in an extra large, and hopefully Minimal stuff does not run minimal as hell. Well, small. It was just a bad joke. Sorry. But yeah, it's just this trucker jacket. I thought it was pretty dope, so that's why I bought it. But nah, it's just all over, that print all over. It look a little small, I'm not gonna hold you. So hopefully, if it is too small, I can return it, cause I will be pissed, because I really want one of these, and every one I find, it's like it just don't fit. Like, it's everybody like they shit skin tight these days, and I'm not built for that. So here's hoping. I should have put somewhere if the shit fit. All right, so next up, these next 2 pieces is part of an outfit that I want, and it just so happens that I could put an outfit with that first varsity jacket with these next 2 pieces. So this first one is coming from where is it coming from? New Era. So like I said, I'm big on fitted caps and shit like that. So seeing that I can wear fitted caps now, I'm about to go stupid and get my collection back up. So this one right here is just a New Era cap, but being from the DMV, I felt like I needed one of these. It's just a Washington Nationals jump right here. I got this shit on sale. Original price is $41.99. I got this one sale for like 20 bucks. So that's why I copped. Usually I wouldn't like rep America like this, to where like the W ain't white, it's like the flag. But I thought it was kind of dope, and it's the only one that really had my size, because I wear a size 8 now because I have hair. So I thought it was pretty dope, so I copped it, and then the price tag, I couldn't really beat it, so that's why I copped that. Last up, let me put the clothes back up here because I don't want them on the ground and shit, getting all linty and shit. Then you hit it with a lint roller, and the lint roller don't do shit but make it worse. So I could pull it off, but it don't really match. Last pack is right, Tilly's. And like I said, I needed this because I got a fit in mind that I needed the shoe for and that hat. So I went ahead and did it. Went ahead and pulled the trigger on a pair of motherfucking Venanzas. Vans usually retail at what price? Like 60 bucks, 70 bucks. But I got them for 47, including tax, shipping, and all that shit. So again, shout out to Honey for that, because that's the only reason I got them for that low. But yeah, man, let's go ahead and pull it out. I'm pretty sure you guys can assume, since I said it's a whole fit right here on accident, pretty sure y'all can assume the colorway of these Vans. So bling, I think my hair is in my eye, god damn. Bling, blow, ta-da. Got some red things. They match the hat perfect. So I just got some All-Ray Vans. I don't own a pair, but y'all see what I'm getting at? You'll see the fit one of these days. I might vlog if I wear it or whatever, because that's not one of them fits you just wear anywhere. But yeah, it's just some Vans. I know they're saying like the hypest unboxing ever, because all it is just basics or essentials, because I would consider Vans essentials because they Vans and they can pretty much be diversified like your portfolio if you need. I don't know why I just said that. Just let's just act like I ain't just saying that whack ass shit. But yeah, man. So this is just the unboxing. Like I said, just some Vans. Pretty much essentials, hats, big winter vibes. I'm just prepping for winter. I got a lot of stuff for winter already, but just because the way I work and where I work, I'm allowed to wear my own clothes. Like this hoodie, I can wear to work. So I wear like Jordans and like hoodies to work. So I kind of gotta prep myself for the cold weather and make sure I still have work clothes and then like going out clothes and shit like that. So you'll probably see a lot more clothes than you will shoes, because I have enough shoes. It's just I gotta make sure I have enough clothes. So y'all make sure y'all hit that thumbs up and that like button. It's the end of this unboxing. Big winter vibes. Like I said, be on the lookout for that God Box podcast episode. I'm probably about to record this shit like right now, while I feel like it and while I'm in a recording mood. So be on the lookout for that one. Like I said, a car would have popped up if it's out already. If not, just be on the lookout for it. I love y'all, man. Thank y'all for watching. And like I always say, I will see y'all when I see y'all.